In July of 2021, a massive storm hit Amherst Junction. The easy work was left to some other people, but the tough work was done by none other than myself. Okay, you can see the hole in the ceiling behind me. If you look close, and you probably can't see it, I put a square box around it. So I've got an 8.5 by 10.5 foot hole. We are up north, we have limited tools. So I am putting on my safety glasses and I'm going to cut that piece out. Okay, here's our setup. I've got my saw set up. I put a sheet over the bed. And there is the project we have to repair today. All right, the hole is completed. It was tough. There's no plan B. All right, so I found some safety glasses and I now have the strapping installed in the hole, as you can see behind me. And my dad is cutting the new piece, the trapezoid, in the basement that we will be installing in the next 10 minutes. All right, we got the hole replaced. We don't have drywall tape, but we're gonna see if we can make do without it. Maybe use a little masking tape and then mud it. We'll see how that works. All right, got the ceiling completed. Found some paint in the basement. Used a roller to hide all the edges. It's still wet, so it doesn't match perfectly. That's how it's done, kids.